Kakenhun Menteri Kebelai Kenduk Kerki ke Sengibaar, Kelaitai Sani Halor ke Jingjia ke Belajar Mukroh ke Distrik West Jantia Hills, ke bahasan ngut kira patba jong ke jelah ke ladu ela ke Jingim. Kumta ke Sorkar jelah kelarai bandawan ke Sorkar India ban phah Tohkit da ke CBI bat ke National Investigation Agency NIA. Menteri Rangba Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong baka kenhun Menteri kan Leit Dawa na Menteri Korbari jong ke Sorkar Preng Amit Shah ke arp sautrik menta ubnai. Ulang bagi Sorkar jelah kan tahu bagi Special Investigation Team hapok ke Jingelam UDIG Eastern Range ban sedang ya ke Jing Tohkit ke Bayadai bat ke Jingjia Mukroh. Tak hadu bagi Sorkar pedang kan phah ke kenhun Tohkit laga ke CBI nek NIA. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uli thu ban kaliang ke Sorkar jelah kan phah Tohkit da ke Judicial Commission. Bat ka kenhun menteri kan ia kenduk ke National Human Rights Commission bat kan IT ke kaipot alor ke Jingjia siat diap ke sanut kiri patba ke jela Meghalaya bat away of forest guard ke jela Assam.
After all the discussions that we had, few very important and critical decisions were made. I would like to divide the discussions into two parts. The first would be the cabinet decisions. So first, the cabinet has decided that on the 24th of this month, which is day after tomorrow, a cabinet delegation will be meeting the Honorable Home Minister of India, and we will be officially informing him about the firing incident that took place in Mukroh village, and we will be demanding that an investigation be made by a central agency, either NIA or CBI. Number two, we have also decided as a government that, keeping in mind the incident that has taken place, the very unfortunate incident, that all official government programs, including foundation stones or inaugurations of any programs or any government official programs, will be suspended till the 30th. And only after 30th will we take up the programs as a mark of respect to the departed souls. Third, we have also decided that all festivals of the government of Meghalaya in any part of the state, all the festivals will be cancelled and none of the festivals will take place. As mentioned, that this is a very unfortunate and very sad incident that has taken place, and hence, keeping that in mind, to show the solidarity with the people who have lost their lives, the families who have lost their loved ones, the government of Meghalaya has decided that all festivals throughout the state will be cancelled. We have also decided that in our visits to Delhi, we will be meeting the National Human Rights Commission, and we will be submitting our report to the National Human Rights Commission as well. Apart from that, we have also decided today that an SIT will be constituted to investigate into this case, as the FIR has been lodged, and the DIG of the Eastern Range will be heading this SIT. Apart from this, while we appeal to Government of India that an agency from the central agency should take over the investigation, in the meantime this SIT will start conducting the investigation, and as and when the Government of India hands it over or approves this investigation to be headed by a central agency, the investigation will be handed over to them. We have also decided that a judicial commission under the Commissions of Inquiry Act 1952 will be constituted to look into all the aspects of this particular incident that has taken place.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau lepentip bagi Sorkar Assam kalau Wengkam Shipor yau kajal nat officer in charge ke Jiri Kinding Police Station. Bad yau shikari enggi Forest Protection Officer ke Kironi Forest Range. Kemudian lang hakajaka basya ather kuli kipat ba Mukroh. Kebalalam syaka jengkelat jong kisangut kibriau na kejela Meghalaya. Uli itu bagi Sorkar Assam kelapan kenri akam ru yau Imdad Ali, Superintendent Kipulet ke West Karbi Anglong, namarkan ke Jingjia Mukroh. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uli itu bagi Sorkar Assam kan sashim kisin jam banankam ban shim hagaban Tohkit ikan ke Jingjia rengkat ke Jing selok lang bat ke Sorkar Meghalaya.
I had a telephonic conversation with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, and in the discussion, I have expressed our very, very deep concern about the incident that had taken place and the unfortunate incident that took place, and briefed him about how the situation happened and appealed to him that immediate action should be taken against the officials who are involved or are responsible for what happened in Mukroh village. Based on the discussion I had with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, the OC of Jiriking police station who was involved in this entire action has been suspended. The Forest Range Protection Officer, who was also the officer who was in charge in this area and very much part of the incident, has been suspended. The SP of West Karbilong district has been transferred. And at the same time, the Assam government also will be taking necessary steps to investigate into the matter in consultation with Meghalaya government. And at the same time, the Assam government has assured that whatever demands and requests that we put to Government of India, the Assam government will cooperate to ensure that justice is done and those who are guilty are punished.